Another topic I would like to discuss today is the way how to approach complex tasks. Definitely, when you have something simple you need to write in Excel, VBA, or any other language, you simply go straight to the tool and you reflect your thoughts. However, if you need to deal with something a bit more complex than one-line formula, it's always better to split the task. This advice I received when I just joined the company as a junior analyst. So the two steps are: first, you take a piece of paper, iPad, or whatever is helpful for you, and try to describe the algorithm you want to use. And only after you finish this part, you can touch the mouse and the keyboard and type your formula or your code in Excel or any other tool. Why this approach is helpful? There are three reasons for this. One of them, it helps to eliminate mistakes. When you have clear algorithm, you reflect it step by step. And at the moment when you need to check the formula, if it doesn't work properly, you will be able to do it exactly in the same sequence of steps. Second element is it helps you to make the formula shorter. I think we're all guilty that from time to time we write formula and we realize that we didn't capture that or this case. And in this situation, usually we just try to overlay the formula with another thing. When you write the algorithm from the very beginning on a piece of paper, it's usually much leaner, simpler, and clearer for you and for any other person who will read it. And the third reason, believe it or not, is that usually it's a faster way to write the right formula. Yes, you need to do two-step exercise instead of one step, but during the first step, you don't bother yourself with trying to understand which formula exactly to use. More than that, you can even realize that your initial idea doesn't work just because there is no such tool or operation which you originally thought exists. And therefore you need to change your algorithm or maybe even find another approach how to deal with the task. Based on my practice, the time for realization of the formula when you do it in two steps is much faster.
I propose you to apply this approach to one or few tasks and see whether it works for you. Here is one of the examples. The task is to write a formula which will give you an answer whether the input number represents a leap year or not. On the screen, I will show you the algorithm, how to do it. I recommend you to use two approaches. One of them, you simply go to Excel and write a formula. And second, go through the algorithm and start from it. I hope you will see the difference. With this, I would like to conclude. If you like the video, I highly appreciate your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Thank you and goodbye.